No matter which ones you choose, appliances are a significant investment for homeowners. We spend years with our choices, and we want to make sure we're getting the best out of them while we have them.
Getting familiar with all the settings and modes provided by your appliances can help you select the right settings to make them more energy efficient and keep them operating at their optimal performance. We're going to step you through some strategies and settings that will help the appliances in your PowerHouse be more efficient. Washers and dryers have so many settings. These choices help us protect our clothes and give us options to save energy. Here are some of the best laundry strategies to cut back on energy use. 1. Select the right cycle and load size settings to help your washer conserve water and energy. That way it doesn't run longer than needed. Save longer cycles for heavily soiled items as needed. Next, wash in cold water. It uses energy to heat the water. A good cold water detergent can give you a great result even without hot water. At the very least, set your rinse cycle to cold to save those water heating dollars. And spin clothes well before drying. This can reduce the amount of time your dryer needs to run. Some washers have a dedicated spin cycle that can be run in addition to the wash. And spin speeds can often be selected with higher speeds, resulting in removing more water. And finally, avoid heat dry options on the dryer. Drying in high heat uses more energy and can be more damaging to materials. Consider hang drying items or using a clothesline when it makes sense.
With refrigerators and freezers, it's all about the temperature. Refrigerator temperature range should be between 37 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Your freezer should be set at 0 to 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Keeping those settings will protect your food and helps the refrigerator operate at peak efficiency. An empty freezer takes more energy to stay at temperature than a full one, so keeping the freezer about 3/4 full can help to keep it efficient. Don't overfill your refrigerator. Again, about 3/4 capacity is best for cooling and maintaining food quality and temperature. Some refrigerators have additional modes, such as vacation mode or power save or other smart features that adjust based on the temperature of the room or how often the door is opened. So, if your unit has these or provides energy usage data, be sure to use them to maximize your energy savings. Keep coils clean and maintain door seals to minimize overall electricity usage.
Dishwasher controls run the gamut from very basic to having many options. Most loads of dishes can be cleaned using the most basic operating mode or energy saving setting. Use heavy or sanitized settings sparingly as they will use more time, water, and energy for heating. Run your dishwasher only when it's full. Fewer cycles use less energy.
Cooking at home saves us money on a lot of fronts, so let's make sure it's also energy efficient. Use smaller appliances for small meals. Microwaves, toaster ovens, convection ovens, air fryers, and other countertop appliances use less energy than full-sized ovens. If your oven has convection features, they'll likely be more efficient and use less energy than the standard oven function. When considering a new oven, put convection features on your list of pluses. Turn off appliances when not in use. Unplug small countertop appliances to prevent energy drain while in standby mode. For gas ranges, make sure your burners are emitting a blue flame, not yellow. Yellow flames indicate the gas is not burning efficiently and an adjustment may be needed. Choose the right size of pan for the burner you're using to avoid losing excess heat. Cover cooking pans and pots to reduce overall cooking time. And clean burners and reflectors on your range top reflect heat better and they use less energy.
Nicely done, Megan.
Thank you, Pete. Our appliances can be our greatest allies as we win the battle for energy savings.
For more energy-saving tips and tricks, be sure to visit PowerHouseTV.com or AlliantEnergy.com.